Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Bee Shard in Garden game of Roblox BCP event update part 4. So guys, there is a new event in this update which is called the Wasp Dungeon event, and during this event, you will be able to get the Bee Shard, and you can use the Bee Shard to enchant your bee. So the bee ability will be upgraded and it will make you easier in defeating the Wasp King or to win the Wasp Dungeon event. Okay, this is the shard that I have. Oops, I'm going to use another shard, maybe this one, the Sword Bee Shard. Okay, and if you want to use it, just go to your bee tree. Okay, um, when the bees are taking a rest, you can immediately apply it to one of them. For example, I'm going to apply it to my overlord bee. Where is it? Okay, this one. Okay, and you will get this question, enchant this bee, and I'm going to click on confirm. Okay, and now this word shard have been applied to the bee, this one. Okay guys, and that's how you can use the Bee Shard in Garden game of Roblox BCP event update part 4. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.